everyone! Many physicians or patients ask that, can we use NSAIDs with antacid syrups or not? Due to the gastrointestinal side effects of NSAIDs, including peptic ulcer disease or anything else, some patients or physicians recommend to use some antacid syrups with NSAIDs to reduce their gastrointestinal side effects. However, you should note that some antacids have some considerable drug interaction with some NSAIDs. For example, antacids including magnesium, like magnesium hydroxide, increases the absorption of mefenamic acid and ibuprofen. On the contrary, antacids containing aluminium reduces the absorption of mefenamic acid and ibuprofen. So take this into account while prescribing these medications. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.